I am Miss Newman, and I am 57 years old. You're a handsome dude, aesthetically and everything. But one, you're shorter than
Short
I would
guy,
like.
right.
Yeah. And you know they say short guys have fun. You can reach the ride. You're good.
Yeah, right.
But my turn off was the dogs and the animals. The only animals I like, they're two legs, bears and gorillas.
All right.
And so I can't do your pets.
They're
yeah,
important.
and they probably sleep in the bed with you and everything.
They do.
And
They walk
tell
their
them
dogs.
not. That's okay, Kim.
Well, let me just ask. He could have been your type, but
No.